Hello everyone, and welcome back to my IT desktop support. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve the issue on the Photoshop. One of my client asked me when he is starting to edit a photo in a Photoshop, it comes with the error. I'm gonna show you what the error is. So he said it comes with this error message. It says it could not complete your request because sofn or DHT JPEG maker is missing. Or let me show you one more here. So it's like that, or it will be like that. So this problem is because of the JPEG files is broken. You might download the files from the WhatsApp, or you might download it from the another app like a Telegram or something like that. In those cases, the JPEG files might be broken. So what you need to do, you need to just go to that files and create a new JPEG for yourself. I'm gonna show you how to fix these issues today. So let's just minimize this one. I'm gonna just open a photo here. So for example, I got this photo. I'm gonna just open it with Photoshop. So I'm just doing the right click, open with Photoshop. So as you can see, I'm getting the same issue and the same error message on my Photoshop as well. Even if I press OK, it doesn't do anything. Okay, so to fix these issues on your computer, what you need to do, you need to go and open this file once with the Paint applications. This is the best way and quickest way to solve this issue. So we just click on the Paint, and then it will open the file for us. So we just press on a Save, and then we close it. That's it. So this time when we try to open it with the Photoshop, as you can see, it's opened correctly and without any error message on it. Thank you for watching this quick video. I hope you enjoyed that. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.